traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 6th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro did make a pretty nice bounce today, and it definitely did make a higher low. I'm definitely still looking for longs, just like I mentioned this morning, until we actually break this structure. I am actually long on this right now. I'm hoping what happens is this turns back into an uptrend, at least goes back up and retests these highs. But if for whatever reason it does end up going down, and if it does end up breaking structure, then I will definitely stop looking for longs, and I will definitely start looking for shorts on pullbacks. So as usual, as long as you pay attention to your structure, pay attention to your higher roadmap time frames, especially the structure on those higher time frames, then you should be on the right side of the market most of the time. So I'm definitely looking for longs, but if it breaks structure to the downside, I will definitely stop, and I will definitely start looking for shorts. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.